Hello mga palangga! Welcome back to my channel. And this time, I am going to cook munggo. Ayan, magmumunggo tayo ngayon mga palangga. And again, munggo has so many different ways of cooking and different kind of ingredients as well. You know what mga palangga? I really love munggo because you can decide whatever vegetables you want to put. Like, kalabasa stems, kalabasa fruits, bitter gourd or ampalaya sa atin, malunggay, and even chicharon, and pwede mo siyang gawing ginataang munggo, and even a lot more. It really depends on you how your style of cooking of munggo, syempre. But this time, I'm gonna show you my own style, of course. Ayan. But let's proceed to my ingredients first, okay? Okay. So now, mga palangga, here are my ingredients for my munggo. Of course, I have salt and pepper, long chili, ginger, garlic, onions, tomatoes, of course our munggo seeds, spinach, carrots, and kalabasa, and the last one is pork ribs. And let's include the missing one, which is cooking oil. So it's cooking time mga palangga. Alright mga palangga, I'm going to start my cooking procedures. First is, let's put some cooking oil. So this time mga palangga, I am using olive oil. And I'm going to saute first the garlic. Okay, the garlic. Followed by onions, mga palangga. Next is tomatoes. Next is our ginger. Next is my pork ribs. So I'm going to add some salt mga palangga. Let's saute this for a few minutes mga palangga. So after sauteing for a few minutes, I'm going to add the munggo. Saute it for a few minutes again. After sauteing, by the way mga palangga, I forgot to include the water in the ingredients. So now I'm gonna add some water and make it boil to soften the pork and munggo. So, by adding some water, mga palangga, so it depends on you, mga palangga, how many waters do you want to put. Nasa sa inyo, kung mahilig kayo sa sabaw, it's up to you kung if you want to put a little more water. Or it depends kung gaano kadami yung mga ingredients nyo. So, this time, I cannot give you a specific measurement in water. So after I put my water, the estimated time is about 20 minutes or more to soften our pork and munggo. So I'm going to cover this first. So when the boiling gets started, after 5 minutes, I'm going to add my kalabasa and carrots. Alright mga palangga, when 5 minutes is done from boiling point, it's time to put the kalabasa and carrots. So here is the kalabasa and carrots. And at the same time, I'll put the chili here. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. Salt and pepper. So let's cover it again. And leave it for about 15 minutes. So, okay mga palangga, when 15 minutes is done, I'm going to check if everything is totally cooked and to check the taste. I'm going to taste it mga palangga. Perfect. I think I need 5 minutes more mga palangga. Okay mga palangga, let's check again. If do you think everything is okay, then it's time to put our last ingredients, which is spinach. Here's my spinach. Then I'm going to cover it again and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. And after that, okay na. It's finished. 3 minutes later, mga palangga, I'm going to check it again. Wow! So yummy! Look at that, mga palangga. It's time to serve, mga palangga. It's time to serve. So there you have it, mga palangga. May munggo. Kaunta.